Hi, my name is Joby and I'm a certified Florida teacher. Today, we're going to be focusing on the FTCE 60 Elementary Education K through 6 Science exam. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Problem number 1. A student decides to test how many hours of sunlight will produce the most plant growth in sunflowers. What is the independent variable in this experiment? A, amount of water, B, hours of sunlight, C, how tall the sunflowers grow, or D, the sunflowers. So first and foremost, we have to be able to establish what an independent variable is. The independent variable is very simple. It's what I change. I meaning the experimenter. So remember, independent variable, I, independent variable, what I change. Now, the dependent variable is what is measured, okay? So if we look here at our answer choices, which one of these 4 choices am I changing within that experiment? Well, let's think about it. We're not really changing the amount of water we're giving the plants. It is definitely not option 1. Option 2, hours of sunlight. We are testing how many hours of sunlight will produce the most plant growth in sunflowers. So that means that what I change is the hours of sunlight in order to see how that affects plant growth. So that means that our answer choice is B. All right, let's keep going. Question number 2. Darwin's thoughts on evolution would best be described as dogma, theory, hypothesis, or natural law. Dogma is defined as beliefs that you're expected to hold to without any actual evidence or fact. So it's definitely not that one because Darwin did not have any of his scientific results based off of dogma. Our second choice, theory. Let's think back. What is Darwin most known for? Exactly, his theory of natural selection. Now, why is the theory of natural selection called a theory? Well, theories are concepts and ideas that are accepted and well tested by scientists within the scientific community. They have a lot of data to support the fact that they are true. And natural selection is definitely a theory. Problem number 3. Which of the following is an example of a normal force? A normal force is a contact force. It is an upward force that supports the weight of an object. So let's go ahead and look at our answer choices and see which one fits best. Option 1, a boy pushing a cart. Now, this is definitely not a normal force because when we think about a boy pushing a cart, is he going upward or is he going horizontally? Right, he's going horizontally, so it is definitely not option 1. Option 2, gravity causing an apple to fall to the ground. Again, if we're thinking of an apple falling to the ground, that force is pushing that apple downward. So it's definitely not number 2. Option number 3, a table supporting the weight of a book. So we think about that table exerting force on that book. Now the table is beneath the book, which means that force from the table is being pushed upward. And that is what we call a normal force. Alrighty, y'all. Last question. We are almost there. I am so proud of you. Problem number 4. Which of the following is an intensive property of matter? A, boiling point, B, length, C, volume, or D, mass. An intensive property is a property that does not depend on the amount of matter present for it to be true. Prime example, when we boil water, whether you have a gallon of water or a small simmering pot of water, at the end of the day, it's going to boil at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and look at some of these properties. Option 1, boiling point. We just talked about this, right? So boiling point is going to remain the same for a substance no matter how much of that substance you have. And so that means that our answer is the first one. I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. Listen, if you need help with anything else, study.com is your guy. We have plenty more videos here that are waiting to be discovered and explored by you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you at the next one. Bye.